Who's the brightest face around, who walks around without a frown? Joseph in Alaska. Who knows the freshest clothes in town? He'll help you turn your look around. Joseph in Alaska. He'll hike a mountain with a bear, then show you what makeup to wear. Joseph in Alaska. Where do you go for small advice? Whose words are spoken full of spice? Joseph in Alaska. He's the kind of hairdresser that you can trust with all your woes. He listens and he knows just what to say. No question is too big or small. He's been around, he's heard it all. Talk to Joseph, let him make your day. Yeah. Climbs a glacier without fall and takes the ice home for his cocktails. Joseph in Alaska. Who's Alaska's reigning queen? Who will help you fill your every dream? Joseph in Alaska. Where should you go for hairiness? Where should you go for hairlessness? Joseph in Alaska. Who'd take you down the Turnagain Arm? Who gives Anchorage all its charm? Joseph in Alaska. He's the kind of hairdresser that you can trust with all your woes. He listens and he knows just what to say. No question is too big or small. He's been around, he's seen it all. Talk to Joseph and let him make your day. Who's the one you'll want to quiz when no one else will say it like this? Joseph in Alaska. We'll answer you straight up and tough with a little dose of fabulous. Joseph in Alaska. Who's built just like a lumberjack and will fix your marriage in seconds flat? Joseph in Alaska. We'll stand with you right till the end and show you how to ditch your old boyfriend. Joseph in Alaska. He's the kind of hairdresser that you can trust with all your woes. He listens and he knows just what to say. No question is too big or small. He's been around, he's seen us all. Talk to Joseph and let him make your day. Hey, yeah. He's the kind of hairdresser that you can trust with all your woes. He listens and he knows just what to say. No question is too big or small. He's been around, he's heard it all. Talk to Joseph and let him make your day. Yeah, yeah.